Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reply to a specific message in WeChat. We are used to selecting some messages and reply to them specifically in other social media platform, right? Or other messaging platform. So we want the same feature in WeChat, and here's how you can do it. Just launch a WeChat and make sure you've logged into your account. Now select the conversation that you want to reply to. Now, if I want to reply to this very message right here, just long press on it and you have an option code. Select it and there you are. Our selected message is inserted in here and we can type our reply. Now we can click on send, and that's how the message is gonna look like when we reply to a specific message in WeChat. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding replying to specific messages in WeChat, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.